G'day. It's a dim and overcast afternoon, and so I've come to one of Canberra's local urban dams. Doesn't look terribly urban, but there's a suburb less than 150 metres that way to do some yabbying. So we're going to pop out a couple of nets and some stringers and see how we go on the yabbies. And while I'm doing that, I'll entertain myself on some of the small carp that are in the dam here, so that we can get a couple of fish as well. And these yabbies are hopefully going to be bait sized. Last time I came here, we got a whole heap of monsters. So I'm just going to go up and check my lines, and I'll check the nets. See whether we've got anything. Okay. First line. Did I get him? Did I get him? Oh yes, I got two big ones. Look at those. Look at the size of them. That was just two on the one bait. I think I dropped one too. They are big yabbies, those guys. Anyway, I'll get on with stringing up the nets. Now with these hearing nets downstairs, we just send the bait so it's not actually hanging on the bottom of the net. Trying to do. Yabbies tend to come out and just eat the bait in the bottom. And the bottom into the net, they outside and put themselves. There's some top bones here. I've got my knife. I'm using my Crayfish. Not so big. And I might think this is when. I'm sure if I know how to lay down here. Or things. And I'm do so. Now if I open the wire copy, so that you right at this late plan. So try and advantage of it. Okay. Now, that's the bottom of it. This is the light on the left. That's the left. Turn on the light. Throw it into place. And then tie that off on the other side. Okay. And that to me looks like a yabby smorgasbord. So it's hanging up away from the mesh. The yabbies can't get to it from any other sides. They've got to go in to get it. And the meat's securely tied to the bottom so it can't float up. So hopefully that works. It worked last time I was here. Okay. So, just got to pop this out. lot of yabby holes just in the corner here. You can see them over under the bank under there and stuff. So put the first net over there and use this convenient piece of piping to tie onto. I don't want to put it all the way out in the middle of the dam. I want to keep it fairly close to the bank because that's where you find the yabbies. So I'll just pop it out there, untangle this mess, whatever's happening here. And tie it off on the tree. Both nets in, one stringer. Let's get another couple of strings happening and then I'll set up my rod and start fishing. Just got some bread for bait. Now with strings you don't want too much fat, you want a nice piece of meat, maybe a little bit of fat on it, that might be okay, but if you've got too much fat it'll just float. Make sure it's securely tied so that the bigger yabbies can't just take it for a wander, because they do that. That's nice and secure. Cut that off just so that it's nice and neat. And then there's a hole just, in fact there's several holes. If you look, just 1, 2 and a few more. So this looks like a likely place to drop that. So we'll lob that just out there. And we shall. Keep meaning to bring tent pegs to do this because the carp keeps stealing the baits, stringer and all. We shall walk up here. And where did I just put that? Now, over here. Over here. So I'll pop this into the mud here. Nice and securely. And tie this off. There's a carp splash just then. Okay, so that's 2, I'll put a third out. And all that done. Job. And that's why you don't want too much fat, because that bait's just going to float. So get that off there. And find a better piece of meat. Okay, that one's got less fat on it. Let's see how that goes. Okay, and that bait sank straight away. So, you don't want too much fat at all. Well, actually, they're not real small at all. That's not a bad little fish. Didn't expect that. Come on. Oh, busted me. Darn it. Yes, there's some reasonable sized carp in here. It's really bucketing down at the moment. Coming down quite heavily. What an awesome time to be out. It's the wind's blowing in on motion now. Okay, I just went to one got in to check the bait, and turns out there was a sleeper on it. Little carp. So that's the first fish. Stop it. Just using a little number 6 Mewtwo circle hook. Okay, so I'm going to check on my lines. First line. No, nothing on it. Chuck it out a bit further, I think. Okay. Next line. Looks like it's been moved. First pot, first net. There's nothing in it. at least one in it. Yeah. Got one. That's not quite the size we're looking for. No, let go there. Please let go. So that's the quality of yabbies in this dam. Ah, big. No, I don't want to get bitten by them. You can go back in there. And I'm after late size yabbies. That one is a bit big. Ooh, this has actually got weight on it. I'll go get my net. Let's see what we've got on this string. That's right there. Overhang. And missed. Okay, so that's one big yabby. So we can get another fish. Oh, that's a stick.
No.
Oh, I got dragged in the stick.
He's definitely playing with it though.
Oh yeah, there's definitely one out there. Really bring it in so I can swap cameras over. So the yabby playing with the string here. Ben's about to pull it in.
For me to do it? Okay.
Yeah, you get him.
Here we go.
Let's see what we got on the end. Should be easier in the day to actually see when to net them.
Yeah.
So just slowly pulling him in. He's got the meat in his claws. He's trying to take it back out. It's just a slow, patient wind in. And then looks like he's still got weight there, yeah. Oh, nice fish. Nice.
Yabby. Cute.
That's another good one.
Ooh, he's trying to get you.
Not really good for our purposes, but
yeah.
really.
It is the tail.
Yeah,
Mate, that's a good yabby. They're so big in here.
they are.
Where are these bait ones?
Yeah, give us some baities's, please.
Nice.
Okay, almost straight away we've got another looker.
Yeah. Must be heaps in here.
Oh, there are. They were jumping earlier just when it started raining.
Yeah.
There's a couple of really good jumpers. There was actually one quite large one just over behind the logs there.
Oh, yep.
Look at that. They're on the bread.
Yeah.
Oh, there's
It's a
goldfish.
That's so cool. Yeah, good colour on him.
He was dark red.
Like almost a full koi.
Yeah, there he is. Just under the bread.
That's cool.
I was wondering if there'd be any goldfish in here.
Yeah, now we know.
Yeah, there he is. He's hitting the bread at the moment.
You try to catch him.
I'm going to. A baited help?
Yeah.
Pick a net, either net.
No good.
Oh well. Do you want to grab that net? Oh, I hope I didn't just tip them.
Now that sounds like a yabby. Yeah, big one.
Nothing in that net. Yep, that's a decent sized yabby.
Where is he? There.
Down the back corner. Oh, they're so hard and awkward to get into to get them out.
Yeah.
And then you got to watch for
The big claws.
yeah, getting bitten.
Nice.
Yeah. We had a couple more that size, wasn't it, too bad.
Mm.
Not as big as the first couple. He's almost a keeper.
Mm.
Looks like a cod bait to me. Chuck that out.
Yep.
Pop him over here.
Nice.
Okay, so that was a string one. Nice bait size yabby.
Mm.
Okay.
Chuck that in the bucket.
First string. Okay, did you grab the string out?
Oh yeah. Got distracted.
Yeah, no, that's fine.
What'd you
Just chuck it in the net there.
Chuck in the net?
Yeah, I'll fix it up when we get back to the car. Take the baits off and wrap them around the stick and...
Yep, reuse it.
Yeah. I actually want to get a couple of tent pegs
Yeah.
because...
Tent pegs, yeah. Oh, I'll chuck this in the bucket.
yeah, buckets up here.
Yep, cute. Well, that's good. Got another one?
Two. This one's tight. Oh, hang on, that's not going to work.
Oh.
We've still got another two nets to check, so putting a...
Yeah. This one doesn't feel as Oh, I was wrong. Nice.
Hey, that's a beautiful size.
That's a perfect one.
That's a perfect size. That's what we're chasing.
Oh, I fell off the stick.
Yeah. Ah!
Gotcha.
Yeah, got me good.
Oh, that would have hurt. Like it wasn't one of those big ones though.
Yeah, I was about to say the same thing. I'll let go. Let go of my net. Hey.
Strong. Look how strong he is. Holding up the net.
Hey. Okay, well there's a good bait size, Yabby.
That's what we're looking for.
That's the one we're
Trying
after.
to just get too big.
Okay.
I'm just wrapping this up. And is there any more hand lines? Is that
Yeah, there's one more hand line right up. No, don't worry about it. We'll just do the net first.
cool?
Just pop that down there next to my rod, I guess.
Oh, alright.
Nothing. That's a surprise.
Oh yeah, you got one. Bait
Oh, yeah.
size.
Oh no, there's another good. Yeah. Okay, now they're beginning to come on. Oi. 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 Another good bait size one.
That's what we're looking for.
That's what
We've
we're
been getting
after.
too many monsters out of here.
Yeah. Too many big uns.
Alright.
Okay, just pop that over there and we'll deal with the meat in a minute.
Can I hold the torch while you pull that one in, or do you want me to do it?
Oh, you do it.
Okay.
It means I can stand back and there's a couple in there.
Oh, look at him. That's another. That's a little one.
Good,
That's good.
real good bait size one there, and we'll let the big one there. That's a perfect bait. That one there, he can go back in.
Come on, mate.
Better you than me, mate. Oh yeah, take it, got.
He's getting close.
Wow, he's yeah. He's a good size one, that one.
Oh, no, this fella is actually kind of harder to get out.
Yeah, he will be.
Ooh, come with me. Cool. That's a really good one.
That's perfect. I wish we had like 10 more of them.
Yeah. Oh, let go. I don't want to break the little claws off. There we go. Is there any more?
I was about to say, just lift it and
Yeah.
catch from the bottom. Okay.
Ew.
And the last line is here.
Yeah.
Hang on, mate. Get the net. Don't step backwards, you've got that white pole behind you.
Yep.
Oh, okay, he's gone in under. That's tricky.
That's very tricky. Ooh, it's very tight.
Yeah,
He's under that stick.
yeah,
So I just pull it up, or?
yeah, just start pulling it out.
Oh yeah, I think he's. Oh, yeah, no, he's gone.
There wasn't much I could have done there.
Yeah, no, that was. He's under that stick.
Yeah. Did it to me earlier too.
Yeah.
Same place.
Oh yeah, this fell off the stick. I don't know where the stick went.
It was on the white pole.
Oh yeah, yeah, true. Alright.
Just chuck in the net there.
Yep. Cool. Happy days. Thank you very much.
Yes. Yeah, I find now's about when they really start to come on in the
Yeah.
dam here. Well, that ended up being quite a successful little trip, little expedition. Ben and I just caught, what, about 8, 9 yabbies, I guess, in the end,
Yeah.
with about half a dozen of them being good bait size ones. And we ended up with a couple of carpage, which made their way back into the dam. And so yeah, had a bit of fun, got rained on, freezing cold, and now it's time to go home, even though the yabbies have begun to come on. Have fun, and I'll talk to you soon.